Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to delete offline maps on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To delete offline maps on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Apps. In left pane, you will find an option Offline Maps. Click on Offline Maps. Here you will find an option Delete All Maps. If you want to delete all your downloaded maps, just click on Delete All Maps, or you can delete a specific maps by selecting the maps. Click on the maps and then click on Delete here. I am deleting my maps. The map has been deleted. This is the easiest way to delete a offline map on Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.